Hello friends, in this video tutorial we will see the changes and bug fixes in the latest dev build of Windows 11 Pro 22000.65. Let's get started. From legacy Windows 98 to Windows 10, the thing which never changed was the refresh option in right-click context menu. But in Windows 11 preview build we saw that refresh option is not directly available now and we need to click show more options to get that. In the latest July 8 build of Windows 11 Microsoft has reverted back the refresh option in right-click context menu. Now you will see the OS build 22000.65 next. Now we are in 22000.65 build of Windows 11 Pro. You can see that refresh option is back now to the right-click context menu. Troubleshoot sound problems option is the latest inclusion in the current build. There are many more new additions and bug fixes in this build. You can check the same from Windows Insider blog. The link to blog is given in description section. Please check the changes and improvement in the above list and tell me in comment section what you liked and disliked most in the current build. Thanks for watching this video. Consider liking the video and subscribing the channel for more Windows 11 updates.